Have you ever wondered why some YouTube videos suddenly explode with millions of views? Today, I'll show you the simple secrets that help videos go viral. Many beginners think going viral is just luck, but most viral creators follow simple strategies that anyone can learn. The first secret is knowing exactly who you're making videos for. Great creators always think about their audience before pressing record. Instead of copying random trends, find ideas people actually want to watch. Solve a problem, answer a question, or entertain them. Your thumbnail is the first thing people notice. A clear, eye-catching thumbnail can make viewers click your video. Your title should make people curious. Keep it short, clear, and promise something valuable. The first few seconds matter the most. Start with a strong hook so viewers stay and keep watching. Cut out boring moments and keep your video moving. Every second should give viewers a reason to keep watching. YouTube loves videos that keep people watching. The longer viewers stay, the more the algorithm will recommend your content. Consistency beats perfection. Uploading regularly helps YouTube understand your channel and builds trust with your audience. Talk to your viewers in the comments. When people feel connected, they're much more likely to return for your next video. Pay attention to trending topics, but always add your own unique twist. Don't copy, make the idea better. Test different thumbnails and titles. Small changes can dramatically improve your click-through rate. Your analytics tell you exactly what's working. Study your best videos, then create more content your audience already enjoys. Don't expect your first video to go viral. Every upload teaches you something new and brings you one step closer to success. Always ask yourself, would I click this video? If the answer is no, improve your idea before you upload. Success on YouTube isn't about one lucky video. It's about improving a little every time you create. As your videos get better, your audience grows naturally. Viral success often comes after many small improvements. Remember the formula: make people click, keep them watching, and give them a reason to come back. Now it's your turn to create your next video. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe for more simple YouTube growth guides, and I'll see you in the next one.